you all know, the world is changing. The future is here.
As someone famous once said, banking is necessary, bank is not. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Hanani binti Abd Nasir from UiTM Puncak Alam student would like to share to you all about Neobank and Challenger Bank. Have you heard about Neobank? So, what is Neobank actually? Neo is a Latin word for new, which is a kind of digital bank without any branches. Rather than being physically present at a specific location, Neobank is entirely online. Neobanks make their money by offering customers a variety of convenient digital services such as checking and saving accounts, payment and money transfer services, and financial education tools. Neobank don't have a bank license of their own but count on bank partners to provide bank license services. These are the examples of Neobank. Let's move on to the Challenger Bank. So, what is a Challenger Bank? Challenger banks are smaller banks that offer services via an app or through their websites, allowing you to do all your banking digitally. A Challenger bank is actually a licensed banking entity. However, they only have a very few physical locations. Challenger banks are established firms and operate with a full banking license in the market. These banks provide services such as lending, investment and saving accounts, checking and merchant account, mobile banking, credit cards, and others. Every Challenger bank is a neobank, but not all neobanks are Challenger banks. Examples of Challenger bank are Monzo, Sterling Bank, Metro Bank, and more. Both banks sound quite similar. So, what is the difference? First, banking license. Not all neobanks have a banking license, while all Challenger banks do. Second, physical presence. Neobank don't have physical branch, but Challenger banks do, although the branches is very few. The third difference are accounts, products, and services. Challenger banks offers both personal and business accounts, while Neobank do offer some personal account and services, but they usually target SMEs and business startup. Now, we will look into advantage of Neobank. The first one is low cost. Fewer regulation and the absence of credit risk allows neobanks to keep their costs low. Products are typically inexpensive with no monthly maintenance fees. The second one is convenient. Neobanks allow us to do the majority of our banking through a smartphone app. In addition, Neobank able to manage our finance and predict activity in our account to prevent problems. The third one is quick processing time. Neobanks allow customers to quickly set up account and process requests. Neobanks that offer loans may skip the rigid and time-consuming loan application processes. Advantage of Challenger Bank. First, quick to set up and easy to use. Challenger banks take a lot of the hassle out of opening a new account. You can have a new account up and running in a couple of hours. Second, low fees. Most Challenger bank accounts also offer substantially lower fees than regular bank accounts. This is down to the fact that they don't have to maintain physical branches and pay rent and allows them to be highly competitive. Third, they have got the edge in tech. When the traditional banks started embracing technological advances such as online banking, the transition was slow. Challenger banks don't come with that fast package as they are coming from a starting point of focusing on technology. This allows them to be at the forefront of the latest advances and make their products more efficient and user-friendly. Let's move on to disadvantage of neobank. First, requires comfort with technology. If you don't like keeping up with technology trends, you won't be able to take full advantage of the offerings if you aren't comfortable tapping and swiping your way through brand new apps. Some people enjoy exploring new technology, but if you don't, neobank might not be right for you. Second, less regulated than traditional bank. Since neobanks aren't legally considered bank, you might not have any legal recourse or well-defined processes to follow if there is a problem with an app, services, or non-regulated third-party service provider. Third, no physical bank branches. Neobank is exclusively online, but some people want the ability to visit a branch and bank in person. Disadvantage of Challenger Bank. The first one is you are still subject to a credit check. Challenger banks still must have a banking license to operate, and therefore they are required to carry out credit checks when you apply for a new account. This means that for people with poor credit history or have been previously declared bankrupt, they may not be a viable alternative to mainstream banking. The second one is you may not have the same level of protection. This may be a concern specifically for business customers who enjoy the security of larger, more established banks. Business customers used to dealing with larger sums of money may feel the security of an established branch give them greater peace of mind. Neobank and Challenger Bank usually link to Western countries. Did you know that Neobank and Challenger Bank also exist in Asia? These are the examples of Neobank and Challenger Bank in Asia. In conclusion, Neobank and Challenger banks have entered in the banking industry with advanced features, real-time services, and client-centric products and services, posing challenges for the existing traditional bank in the market. While it's up to each client to discern which type of bank works best for them, one thing is clear: Neobank and Challenger Bank are here to stay, and they will soon become a formidable sector in the business banking industry. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. Have a nice day.